Alright, so here's the, well, you can see the harness nice and tucked down. Light's kind of bad there. This is the passenger side, so don't have anything mounted. I had it mounted there, but it seemed like the heat was going to get to it. Come over to the driver's side, and comes around, well, you can't even see it the way I have it tucked. Comes around, encased in there. Have the cables tie wrapped down here. I'll switch those to black ones. And then right behind, sorry if the lighting's not good, right behind the ABS, right inside of here, I have the unit. So all I did is I used this for ground right here from the ABS mount. And once you loosen this, then the actual box fits right back there. So